This question is from algorithm about complexity, increasing order of asymptotic complexity for these functions. A represent f1, which is 2 raised to the power n. Similarly, B represent f2, n raised to the power 3 by 2. C represent f3, n log n, and D represent f4, which is n raised to the power log n. So this one is basically exponential complexity, so this needs to be highest. Let's compare still by taking some values. Let's take very large value. First value I take, n is equals to 2 raised to the power 100. I am taking value 2 raised to the power 100 because it will help in simplifying this log expressions. So if I take n is equals to 2 raised to the power 100, the first function f1 will be equal to, or you can say a will be equal to 2 raised to the power 100. Same value if I put for this f2, it will become 2 raised to the power 100 raised to the power 3 by 2, which will be evaluated as 2 raised to the power 150. Then next one, this will be 2 raised to the power 100 log 2 raised to the power 100, and by taking base 2, this will be simplified to 2 raised to the power 100 log 2 which is 1. So it will be 100 only. So 2 into 2 raised to the power 100 into 100. So obviously this one is much lesser than this. This one is very huge in comparison of these two. Finally, last one, 2 raised to the power 100 whole raised to the power log 2 raised to the power 100. So again the base is 2, then 100 log 2 will be 100 only. 2 raised to the power 100 raised to the power 100, that will be 2 raised to the power 10,000. Now comparing this with these two, obviously this one is greater, but comparing these two, this one is 2 raised to the power 100 is very big number than 10,000. So obviously this one is highest, this one is lowest. So order should be C, increasing order should be C, B, D, A. We don't just take only one value, let's check for one more values, because sometimes one value may not be conclusive. So let's take n is equals to 2 raised to the power 500. So this will become 2 raised to the power 500. This will become 2 raised to the power 500 raised to the power 3 by 2, that is 2 raised to the power 750. This one will become 2 raised to the power 500 into 500. This one will become 2 raised to the power 500 raised to the power 500, that is 25,000, which is 2,50,000. So again this value come out to be least, C. This value come out to be greater than this, B. 2 raised to the power 500 is much larger than 2,50,000. So again the same thing after this B, D, and finally the greatest is A. So correct sequence is CBDA. CBDA is the right sequence or right increasing order.